Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you're someone who values smart, no-nonsense tools that turn your everyday drill into a precision powerhouse, today's review is for you. We're taking a close look at the SKOOL handheld sanding drum, a compact, affordable attachment designed to expand what your drill can do. Priced at just $34, it's not flashy, but it promises efficiency, flexibility, and a professional finish without the bulk of specialized sanders. I've been testing this tool across a range of materials and projects, and while it's not without quirks, it sparked some serious reconsideration of what belongs in my go-to toolkit. This isn't a one-trick accessory, it's a potential game changer for detailed work where control and access matter most. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the build, the usability, where it shines, and where it falls short, so you can decide if it earns a permanent spot on your workbench. Let's dive in. Let me tell you, if you've ever tried sanding tight curves or working inside tight spaces, you know how frustrating it can be to get a clean, even finish with a regular sanding block. That's exactly where the SKOOL handheld sanding drum stands out. I picked this one up a few weeks ago for a custom guitar modification project, had to reshape the body slightly before converting it into Mandocello, and this little tool saved me a ton of time. It attaches right to any standard drill, turns smoothly, and delivers consistent results. What I love most is how precise it is, especially on contoured edges and those tricky inner curves that regular sanders just can't reach. It's not just for woodworking either. I know it sounds odd, but someone mentioned using it on horse hooves. Never thought of that, but now that I've tried it on some leather shaping, the idea makes total sense. It's surprisingly versatile when you think beyond the usual applications. One of the first things I noticed after unboxing, it was the build quality. Mine came solid with a sturdy drum and a thick, comfortable handle that doesn't slip even when you're applying pressure. The handle design is simple but smart, big enough to grip firmly, which gives you great control over the drill's movement. That's crucial because, let's be honest, when you're spinning sandpaper at high speed, any wobble or vibration can throw off your work. I didn't have that issue. The drum stayed straight and ran smoothly with no noticeable resistance. That being said, I will say the angle of the handle took a bit of adjusting to. It's straight, not angled, so when I was sanding flat surfaces, it felt a little awkward at first, like I was holding the drill in an unnatural position. But after a few minutes, I got used to it. It's one of those things you adapt to, kind of like breaking in a new pair of work boots. Now let's talk about the big selling point, the sandpaper replacement system. The entire idea here is that you save money over time by not having to buy those pre-glued sanding drums that cost a fortune after a few uses. And that works on paper. In practice, it's mixed. Changing the sandpaper isn't super complicated, but it's not as instant as I hoped. You have to disassemble the drum by removing a single nut, which sounds easy, until you realize the nut is recessed deep enough that the included wrench doesn't actually fit. That little stamped tool they give you, totally useless for removing the nut. I don't know why they even bother including it. But here's the workaround. Any standard socket wrench around 13 millimeters will do the job fine. Once you've got that, the rest is straightforward. The sandpaper wraps around, you slide in the retaining strip and tighten it down. It's workable, but I can see how someone without a full socket set might be annoyed. The real concern, though, is durability at that connection point. After about 3 paper changes, I noticed the little metal piece that holds the sandpaper end was starting to bend. It's not flimsy per se, but it's not built for heavy use either. Press it too hard during installation and it warps. That's not great if you plan to use this tool regularly. I've seen a few other people mention that it doesn't survive more than a couple of swaps before becoming unreliable. And if that's the weak link, it's a bummer because everything else about the tool feels solid. Honestly, if they redesigned that retention tab with thicker steel, this thing would be nearly perfect. As it stands, you've got to be careful when tightening, don't overdo it. And maybe keep a spare sandpaper strip or two on hand so you're not swapping constantly. Still, despite that flaw, I keep coming back to the performance. When it's set up and running, this thing sands beautifully. Whether I was smoothing out a carved wooden inlay or shaping the edge of a leather strap, the results were consistently even and clean. It handles different grits well, and you can really feel the difference in control compared to orbital sanders or even detail tools. And for under $35, that's not bad at all. Sure, it's not flawless, but few tools at this price point are. I wouldn't trust it for a full-time wood shop where daily sandpaper changes are the norm, but for hobbyists, DIYers, or weekend project folks like me, it's more than capable. I'd even buy it again just with the expectation that it's built for occasional use, not industrial duty. So, who's this for? If you work on musical instruments, furniture with curves, intricate wood carvings, or even leatherwork, this little drum sander is worth considering. It's perfect for those odd jobs where a regular sander won't fit, and it's way more affordable than buying pre wrapped drums every time. Just go in with eyes open. Bring your own socket wrench, don't expect ultra-fast paper changes, and treat the retention system gently. But if you do that, you'll get a capable, precise tool that opens up new possibilities for your drill. It's not magic, but with a little patience and the right setup, it definitely earns its spot in your toolbox. If you're ready to smooth out the rough edges in your workshop, the SKOOL handheld sanding drum might just be your next go-to tool. Don't let fine details sand you down. Hit like if this review helped, and subscribe for more honest takes on tools that earn their place in the garage.